Hey all, MGL here with another multiplication trick. Today, we are going to learn the multiplication table of any two-digit number. One reason why I love this method is, we do it from left to right. Yay! We start with a few examples. 13 times 8, 24 times 7, and 87 times 4. 13 times 8 equals 104. 24 times 7 equals 168. And 87 times 4 equals 348. Nope, I did not use a calculator. I did it mentally. Let's check if my answers are correct. 13 times 8. 8 threes are 24. To carry up, 8 times 1 is 8. Plus the 2 carry forward and you get 104. The first one is correct. 24 times 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. 8 to carry up. 7 times 2 equals 14. Plus the 2 is 16. Finally, 87 times 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 and 2 carry forward. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus the 2 equals 34. I got them all correct. I will show you how to multiply any two-digit number with any single digit in seconds. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how easy it is to add from left to right. Just to recap, looking at 65 plus 82. We split the digits according to its place value. Then we add them from left to right. 60 plus 80 is 140, and 5 plus 2 is 7. 140 plus 7 is 147. Similarly, we can use the same concepts for the multiplication table of two-digit numbers. What is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. If you look at 24 multiplied by 2, you can look at it as 24 plus 24, or 32 multiplied by 3 can also be looked at as 32 plus 32 plus 32. Now, from left to right, let's focus on the tens digit. So we can say 30 plus 30 plus 30 is the same as 30 times 3. And the answer you get is 90. We do the same with the unit digit. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same as 2 times 3. And you get 6. Finally, we add 90 and 6 and you get 96. So 32 multiplied by 3 is 96. So follow this method to complete the multiplication of two-digit numbers. The most important thing to remember is to break or separate the number exactly the way we say it. So 23. We say 20 and then we say 3. 45. We say 40 and then we say 5. 36. We say 30 and then we say 6. Since we say the numbers separately, let's multiply them separately. Starting with the digit in the tens place, we look at that as the first set to multiply, and then we multiply the unit digit. Let's do the multiplication table of 13. 13 ones are 13. Don't really have to calculate it. 13 times 2. We are going to look at 13 as 10 and 3. First, we multiply 10 times 2, and you get 20. Then we multiply 3 times 2, and you get 6. So 20 plus 6 equals 26. 13 times 3. Again, we split the number as 10 and 3. Then we multiply them by 3. 10 times 3 equals 30, and 3 times 3 is 9. 30 plus 9 is 39. 13 times 4. First, we multiply 10 times 4, which is 40, and 3 times 4 is 12. 40 plus 12 is 52. 13 times 5. Well, if you have watched my previous video, you already know how to multiply by 5. If you'd like to check that video out, please click the I above or view it in the description below. Here's another way. First, you multiply by 10. 10 times 5 is 50, and then by 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 50 plus 15 is 65. Look at that! Not only do you know how to multiply by 5 using the method in my previous video, but now you know how to multiply it using this method. 13 times 6. 10 times 6 equals 60. 3 times 6 equals 18. 60 plus 18 is 78. 13 times 7. 10 times 7 is 70, and 3 times 7 is 21. The sum is 91. So 13 times 7 is 91. 13 times 8. 10 times 8 is 80, and 3 times 8 is 24. 80 plus 24 is 104. 13 times 9 is 10 times 9 is 90, and 3 times 9 is 27. 90 plus 27 is 117. Finally, 13 times 10. Just write 13 followed by a 0. Simple, which gives you 130. Remember, you are not supposed to write down these steps. These have to be done mentally. Let me go through the multiplication of a larger number. This time I won't write down the steps. 78 times 1 is pretty straightforward. 78 times 2. We split the numbers into 70 and 8. Then multiply them separately by 2. Finally, add the two products to get your answer. 70 times 2 is 140, and 8 times 2 is 16. 140 plus 16 is 156. That's it. Let's quickly go through the rest. 70 times 3 is 210, and 8 times 3 is 24. 210 plus 24 is 234. 70 times 4 is 280. 8 times 4 is 32. 280 plus 32 is 312. 70 times 5 is 350. 8 times 5 is 40. 350 plus 40 is 390. 70 times 6 is 420. 8 times 6 is 48. 420 plus 48 is 468. 70 times 7 is 490. 8 times 7 is 56. 490 plus 56 is 546. 70 times 8 is 560. 8 times 8 is 64. 560 plus 64 is 624. 70 times 9 is 630. 8 times 9 is 72. 630 plus 72 is 702. Finally, 78 times 10 is 780. Wasn't that quick and easy? This is an easy method to work out the multiplication table of any two-digit number. The best part is you can do it mentally. One thing to remember is your mental addition must be excellent, as you will need to add 2 and 3-digit numbers, like we just did when we multiplied 78 times 9. We had to add 630 to 72. Practice it, and I'm sure you will find it easy and fun. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, bye!